It's Valentine's Day! Today's inflation report. It's Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. Woo! It's Valentine's Day. Hey! Inflation report. Hey guys, don't forget to get those flowers today, or else you're going to be in the doghouse. Could I use inflation as a getaway so this way I don't have to celebrate Valentine's Day? You better not. All of that comes back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. How you guys are doing out there? So today is February the 14th, 2018. Is Valentine's Day. And what better day than to ruin it than the actual inflation report coming out today at 8:30. So we got the Bureau of Economic Analysts who are actually going to be releasing this information at 8:30 Eastern time today. So what does that mean, guys? Exactly. Besides the point that you can't use this as an excuse to try to get away from your loved ones and tell them that you can't get them flowers, because I don't think they want to hear that. So basically, let's get into this and let's find out what's going on. We also have January reading on the retail sales that will also be releasing out today, guys. So we also have that coming also along with these guys actually reporting. And we are also seeing that we also have a wage hike, believe it or not. I know a lot of the guys you watching this video talking about what wage hike. I ain't getting no money. I ain't got no money. But believe it or not, these guys are actually reporting that there was actually a wage hike. Where the hell is that job at and where the hell is that wage at? Because I need some of that, seriously. Anyway, so getting back into this, guys. Basically, they're saying that they're reporting a 2.9 hike on a wage hike, which it's a little bit high. And considering that we're coming into this, what they consider this inflation rate pressure coming in. And now we also have to understand with this going over, this makes everyone kind of jittery, because we also have the bond yields that might be going up as well. So these bad boys are already up and they might be going a little bit higher. And all of this already caused chaos already in the market, as we can see from last week going into January into February, that we actually see the market hit $1,000 down. And it didn't just do it once, it did it twice. Twice the market was down under $1,000. So you can see where this can be a little bit concerning for the market, because again, this actually is a potential threat to the market as far as to where these things are going. Because remember, as they hike everything up, that means you lose value on a lot of the stuff that you actually have. So of course, we don't want to lose value on a lot of the stuff. So therefore, we are looking to see how much this Fed hike is going to go up. And we're actually trying to see where this is really going into and what is that they're doing. Now, remember, these Feds are not actually reporting anything as far as to the regular stuff. We're talking about the gas stuff. They're not going to be reporting that. They're not going to be reporting about the food, because they figure that's not part of an essential type of report, which I don't see how that's not possible, because I mean, if we don't have food, how the hell do we live? But again, they're not putting this into consideration as they're going into the inflation rate. All right, guys, so I want to give you exact information on what's going on. So basically what they're saying here is that they're going to be raising it 0.3 over the prior month and 1.9 over the prior year. The core inflation is expected to rise 0.2 over the prior month and 1.7 over the prior year. So that's a big hike here, guys. So I wanted to give you that information accurately, and I didn't want to go off the head about that. So excuse the paper for that. All right, guys, but we're done with that. All right, great. So we're going to be keeping our eye on that and seeing how everything is working out with that, and see where is it and how the market reacts to this report as it coming out today. All right. And again, happy Valentine's Day to those lovers out there. And remember, don't forget those candies. Don't forget those flowers. I mean, if you don't do it, you can't use this excuse of inflation. Yeah. Good luck with that. And as always, more gains, more gains, more gains. Giving it your maximum effort. Peace out.